Good morning, welcome to Penny for the Soul. And today we are going to be talking about Goan fast food, so to say, or Goan breakfast food. And we are going to talk about Ross omelette today, which is a very popular Goan delicacy. And I've come to Mother's Recipe. Mother's Recipe is this mom and dad kind of restaurant run by Keshav Gudekar and his wife Riya. It's on the Benoli Thareband Road in Benolim village, South Goa. And their specialities are right here on this board. They have bhaji pav, which is another Goan fast food delicacy. Then Ross omelette right there. Then of course fish curry rice and the veg thali. These are their main dishes. They also give you a decent dosa and kanda poha and all in the mornings. It's largely a breakfast and lunch location, and they have boards like this. Please contact Mother's Recipe on Sunday and public holidays before coming for lunch and breakfast, because usually they take an off on Sundays. They put a new board recently saying homemade food, eat homemade and be healthy. This is actually their home, so they literally live here and work here. Yeah, they've been featured in the leading papers in Goa. This is the Herald Cafe, which had done a nice article. My journalist friend Sujay Gupta had done a lovely cover story on them. They've been featured here also. I think I wrote this piece again in the Herald. The sleepy South wakes up to home delivery route. So Keshav is featured there. This is Keshav and his wife Riya in this Herald article. We'll see more of them soon. So good morning. So this is Keshav Gudekar. I call him Keshav Bab, and he's the boss of this Mother's Recipe. He and his wife Riya. So of course Riya and all are busy in the other part of the kitchen. So Keshav Bab, tell me, what is the magic of this Ross omelette?
Ross omelette, that is the most popular dish in Goa, especially normally like in night time or any time. If you don't get anything, definitely you will get the Ross omelette. It's especially in night time, when the restaurant gets closed and when everybody knows you don't get in there, they go to city. There are small gadas where you can have a good Ross omelette.
Gadas are carts, no? Like
carts.
Cart, for people to understand. Yeah.
So now we also have started making this Ross omelette, but we make it with the chicken gravy. Few people make with the vegetable gravy, but that Ross omelette doesn't give that good taste. It only needs the chicken gravy.
So when you say chicken gravy, it's chicken shakuti, no?
Yeah, it's a chicken shakuti, and when we make chicken shakuti, we make extra curry, and that we keep it for Ross omelette. So it is a little thin one.
So why is it important that you must use chicken shakuti?
Because the gravy, that absorbs the fat or the taste of chicken. Then only it gives the taste of that Ross omelette. That is the originality of Ross omelette. But
Lovely.
We make people put the other vegetable gravy.
Lovely.
It will not give that taste.
So we'll see Keshav Bab actually making this right now,
Yeah, normal omelette. Okay.
So Keshav Bab has been kind to allow me into their kitchen. Normally, guests should not be in the kitchen, but here we have the privilege. He's beating it in his interesting style. Okay, that becomes oil. Keshav incidentally has been a sailor for many years. Commercial, merchant shipping, no?
Yeah, I was a merchant navy officer.
Yeah. So he's been a merchant navy officer. He's sailed the big oceans, and then finally he's come back home and started this restaurant. Mother's recipe is famous for their fish curry rice and their fish thalis, but I am focusing on Ross omelette today. See the way he's beaten up a masala omelette. Like
The more you beat, the omelette become very spongy and soft.
nice. Now see the omelette is ready as Keshav Bab is saying, and he's taking it to where the chicken shakuti curry is in a vessel. Now this chicken shakuti is
They make
heavenly.
it a little thin so that it should go inside the omelette, and then omelette also get that chicken gravy taste.
So it's not made very thick, but
Yeah.
made a little thin.
Little.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is how that chicken shakuti gravy is poured over the omelette, and then it becomes this magical Ross omelette dish.
Then you can add little onion.
Onions, tomato also, no?
Yeah. Tomato if you want.
Only if you want,
Yeah.
but normally onions.
You can add a little green coriander also if you want.
Okay. Now what are you cutting?
Lemon.
Lemon.
Because before eating, you should.
Yeah, you must sprinkle some lemon on it.
And one more thing, if you want a good taste, take the bread.
Yeah. Yeah, I want it with pav. Huh? Yeah.
Yeah, but what do you do?
You're going to fry it a bit.
Yeah, it little.
So by frying it, correct, so that it becomes nice and crisp. Interesting. This is how he has nicely buttered the pav and given it, fried it up. So it makes it that much tastier. So this is the final dish really. The Ross omelette with the fried pavs, Goan pavs, fresh from the local bakery. And now I'll sample it, of course, greedily on the table and tell you how it is. Like now the Ross omelette and the pav is on the table, and I'm going to sample it. I have run 5 kilometers this morning, so I'm real hungry. And like Keshav Bab said, there's a slice of lime which you squeeze on the omelette. It makes it that much more interesting. And you cut the omelette into smaller pieces, easier to eat. I'm going to start with the piece which has been swimming in the rust for the longest time. Can you see this? Heavenly, the taste. So if you come to Goa and don't eat the Ross omelette, you're really missing something. So all of you, pan India and across the world, if you come to Goa, like the many delicacies that Goa has, this is one delicacy you should not miss. I'm going to also eat a little of the pav to balance the taste. So like Keshav Bab said, frying the pav makes a lot of sense rather than having it cold, because this is from the bakery nearby. Anyway, bon appetit. So, like I mentioned to you, I'm now going to dip the pav in this wonderful Ross, and Ross omelette is spelled R-O-S and an omelette. But, well, it is Ras, R-A-S, but it's the Goan way, the Konkani way of saying Ross, R-O-S. This Goan pav is the best accompaniment for Ross omelette, not a chapati, simply because this soaks in all the yeah, please. Thank you. I'm getting my double cup of chai also. Well earned after the 5 kilometer run. But the point is, I'm just trying to make the point here of see how the curry gets, the bread soaks in the curry and makes it very nice.